Hey, what's up guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode. Lesson for today guys. So for this video, I'm going to show you some hammer runs and some feelings, how you can make your soloing sound better, how you can make your playing sound better, okay? I had a request on my comment section that I should make video on hammer run, on slide and pull off and the rest, okay? Some tips that could make your soloing sound better, okay? So you don't skip any part of the video. Make sure you watch the video to the end so you don't miss out anything I'm going to teach you here, okay? So guys, it's the first time you're seeing me, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this, guys. Okay, if you like the video, you can hit on the smart button, you can hit on the like button. If you have any challenges, hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. And if you want to join my personal WhatsApp class, you can chat me up on the number on the screen and I will reply as soon as possible, guys. Okay guys, so let's go straight to the video. Guys, so I'm going to show you what we call the hammer on, the pull on, and the slide, okay? This is a hammer on. Okay? Okay? So for instance, if I want to play do re mo re do, okay? If I want to play do re mo re do, so I could make it like this. I took the velocity of the do, hammer on the re, then slide to the mo, okay? Come back to the re and hit the do again. She get it. I hit only the do. Okay, that is hammer on. The second thing I have to show you that to make your playing, your soloing sound better is what we call the pull on. Okay, this is the pull on. This is what we call pull on. Okay, the pull on comes in the place that if you want to play like this, let's say this is a do re mi, okay, then you want to play mi re do, okay? When you want to play something like this, mi re do, okay? Okay? So stuff like this could make your soloing sound better, make your playing sound better. Okay, so you need to start practicing this stuff then. Okay, you need to start practicing these tips that will make your playing sound good. So you just pull on. So I play the mi, take the velocity of the mi, pull it to the re, okay, then to the do, okay, and I hit the do again, okay. Okay, so that is the number 2. The number 3 is what we call the sliding, okay, and this is the sliding. Okay. Okay, that is the sliding. So the sliding is maybe if you want to play something like so. Okay, if you want to play mi va so, you can play from the va you can slide to the so. Okay, so that is sliding. If you want to play maybe like so and la, you can play something like, okay. When you are coming to the la, you don't pick, okay, you just play only the so, use the velocity to slide to the la, okay. Okay, then you make a pull on do. So these 3 things could make your soloing sound better. These 3 things could give you an awesome soloing, okay, over your improvisation. So guys, let me just make an example. Let me just play one song for you to understand what I'm saying. Let's say for instance you want to play songs like oh Lord my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, okay. But if I want to play, some people, okay, Like some people, if they want to play songs like that, some beginners, you just start the. So you see. Okay, like I see, even I can't even play, but some people when they want to play, they will just play the note straight up. They will just play the note even without adding some melody, even without adding some harmonies to what they are playing. Okay, so the best way you can improvise songs like that is make use of your sliding, your pull on, and your hammer on. Okay, like something like you see, I slide the mi do so 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 mi do. Okay. Okay. I make some slow there now. Okay. Okay. So for me, but I play. I hammer on from the fa and the saw. Okay. To the mi. Okay. Okay. Then when you want to play the chorus, I play. So I'm alright from the river. Okay, so with that you're going to sound better, with that you're going to have a good playing. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, guys, here on the comment section I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.